You can tell detergent is fully rinsed from shower surfaces when they feel clean and make a squeaking sound under your hand. Start by rinsing with warm water for at least 1 minute per section, moving the shower head in slow overlapping passes so every surface is contacted. After rinsing, run your palm flat across tiles, glass, and fixtures. A truly rinsed surface will feel smooth and produce a faint squeak because no slippery residue remains. Visually inspect for bubbles, streaky shine, or soap film by angling your head so light skims the surface. Any remaining rainbow sheen or tiny beads of detergent mean you need another rinse. For glass, use a squeegee from top to bottom, immediately after rinsing to remove water and check for residual streaks. If streaks persist, rinse again with a light spray and squeegee one more time. For textured tile grout, follow rinsing with a clean microfiber cloth pressed into grout lines and rubbed to detect tackiness. If the cloth darkens with soapy film, continue rinsing and repeat the test. Finish by drying fixtures with a lint-free towel and running your hand over metal surfaces to confirm no slippery feel remains. A common mistake is assuming visible clarity equals no residue, so people skip tactile checks. Fix this by always using the palm squeak test. Another issue is using too low pressure or a narrow spray pattern, which leaves pockets of soap. Switch to a wider fan spray or use a handheld sprayer and steady overlapping passes. People also rely only on drying and squeegeeing, which can trap residue under evaporated water. Solve that by rinsing thoroughly first, then squeegeeing and drying to confirm cleanliness. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and offer tools that help you describe projects and invite bids. We also host an active discussion community where we and other users share tips about cleaning, rinsing techniques, and trade practices that help both homeowners and contractors find work and improve results.